Thank you for joining me on this Servoy tutorial, using perspectives in Servoy 4. My name is Jason Munier, and I'll be your host for today's tutorial. Now that Servoy's developer is Eclipse, we have a new feature that was not available in previous versions of Servoy called perspectives. Perspectives are a part of the Eclipse Workbench developer interface. They're basically a named organization of views, menus, and toolbars that can be saved and used in the developer's own user interface. It's a flexible feature that allows the developer to set his or her user interface to meet their needs as a developer. When you open Servoy, the developer opens in one of these perspectives called the Form Design perspective. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at Servoy Developer. Here we are in Servoy Developer. As you can see, the Form Design perspective is active as it's highlighted by this button here. All aspects of the interface that you see here are part of the perspective. So as you can see, we have a Solution Explorer view. We have an informational view below with a few tabs. We have a properties view on this side that gives us the properties of the object that is selected. We also have the editor pane. Now, everything here can be moved around as we need. For instance, if we want to move the Solution Explorer here, we can do that, and even move this Properties tab to this side. We may decide to just get rid of the Solution Explorer and a few of these tabs. You can also maximize and minimize each of these, which brings it down here. You can close all the tabs out in a view so they've disappeared. Now, as you saw, I got rid of the Solution Explorer tab, which makes it kind of hard to work with the solution. So that's not a big issue, as we can reset our perspectives. If we go to Window, click Reset Perspective, click OK, and now we're back to how we had it before. So now let me show you how we can create a perspective that we want to reuse. As you notice, our form editor window is quite small with all these other windows open. So I want to create a perspective that will allow us to have a larger form editor. I'm going to go ahead and close the Solution Explorer, and I'm going to close all these tabs out as well, as well as this tab, and just keep the Properties tab. So now we have a much larger form editor view available. So I want to keep this for future use, so I'm going to go to Window, Save Perspective As, I'm going to call it Form Large, and click OK. Now you'll notice that Form Large is an active perspective. We haven't lost the Form Design perspective, we just need to reopen it. You can do that from this square here, this icon, or we can go to Window, Open Perspective. Select Form Design, click OK. Now we have Form Design available as well as Form Large, and we can select back and forth between the two as we need to. So let's just say now that we've decided we do not want this perspective anymore to be available. We can right click on Form Large, click Close, and now it is gone. We only have the Form Design perspective. To get rid of it permanently, we go to Window, Preferences, select General, Perspectives, and the Form Large, and click Delete. Now it is gone from our list, and it's gone for good. Well, this is all I have for you today on perspectives. I hope this will help you become a better developer, and that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.